Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to start immediately by confirming prerequisites: server access, an admin account, and network permissions. Once those are verified, install the PaperCut Print Logger service and any missing dependencies. This ensures accurate logging. Next, open the Print Logger web UI and sign in with your account. Make sure to set the system time zone so timestamps match your environment. This step is critical because misaligned time produces confusing logs, and correcting it later is more work than doing it now. Once done with login, configure the core logging settings. Choose retention periods, file rotation policies, and the storage path for log files. Then define filters to reduce noise. Include or exclude users, specific printers, duplex versus simplex, color jobs, and size thresholds so only relevant jobs are captured. Make sure to enable real-time forwarding or scheduled batch export to your SIEM or archival system. This helps with quick incident response and long-term auditing. Now validate the setup by running test prints from different user accounts and several printer models. Review the captured entries in the UI or logs. Verify key parsed fields: username, document title, pages, copies, cost, printer IP, and timestamp, so reports are accurate. Once validated, schedule exports or integrate dashboards. If things go wrong, check permissions first, then system time skew. And finally, parser rules. These three account for most failures. Reprocess test jobs after fixes to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.